out. I got to do evaporator coil today. It's 6:27, and I got to do an evaporator coil tomorrow. I think we'll put them both on one video. So it'll be Friday evaporator coil, Saturday evaporator coil, and let's get out there and see what's happening. We had a little bit of rain going. Okay, I'm getting ready for my evaporator coil change out. I'm going to convert, this was an old R22, or I'm going to convert over to 404. I built the coil up at my house yesterday. They put so much UV dye in this thing. Look at this. That, look, you can see where it dripped out of my hose. Jesus, look at this. It's like someone shot the Predator up here. Alright, I got the my liquid line dryer changed out. I'm waiting for the owner to come and open up the store so I could change out the evap coil.
A lot of trash today, I know about this too. And then I forgot to, I'll have to show you next Monday or something. We do on Mondays and Fridays.
The lines have ended up over there. Kind of funky, but not bad. Like a tiny little box. Got my coffee going. A little later start this morning, 7:30. It's 37 degrees outside. I'll have to put up a screenshot. I might have to break out my Arctic gear to work out in that this morning. Get out there. That's my job site. Oh crap, there's some Leonard Skinner on. Get down. I want to take you guys over here. I'm gonna clean this line set up. That's one of my missions today after I change that coil out. I think I'm gonna go some unistrut and get this all a little more uniform and tidied up. I'm gonna throw this in there. I haven't talked about the Mr. 45 in a while, the field piece recovery unit. And I've got to say, I'm absolutely impressed with this thing. I've had it for almost a year now, and there's so many features on it that I like. For example, I was just recovering the unit to do the evaporator coil change out. I was hanging my new strut, unistrut, and it sits there and beeps at you when it's finished. Hey, beep, 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 I'm done. Put me in self-purge. Put it in self-purge, then it beep, 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 I'm done. I'm ready for you, Dave. And this thing does everything it's advertised. It's lightweight. The speed of recovery is plenty. And I've had zero issues with it. And I've been putting it through the ringer, so thought I'd add that on the video here. This is a great recovery machine, the MR45, the Mr. 45. It sounds
That's strong.
That's the strong coffee? And I'm going to try it. Thanks for the pancake. I eat it plain, just like this, nothing on it.
Me, I have to put something. Cream on top.
Let's give this fancy coffee a taste. Oh man, that's good right there. Holy Toledo. This coil's coming down. I'm going to get rid of this flex and use liquid tight. That's where the power's coming in right there. Drain's just PVC, so that's simple. I got mounted the liquid line solenoid in the coil, so that's coming out. So let's just get this thing ripped off the wall here, and we'll get started. I got her all up and finished. Got my labels on there. Make OC Refrigeration happy right there. He'd be stoked. Yeah, the electrical ended up flip-flopping onto this side. Ended up like that, really nice. And of course the cart's right in the way of where we're cooling. Love it. We're at 49 right now. Tie another little tiny box. Tiny bubbles. I got a freezer down I gotta go look at next, so let's go check out the freezer. There's the carcasses. The recycle guy came by and wanted those dead coils, so the owner said it's fine, it's gonna come back and pick them up. I didn't do any scavengerizing off these. I got so many scavengerized parts right now, kind of full, so no harvest. But Friday, Saturday. Now let's go look at this freezer. I gotta call at the Hawaiian restaurant that the freezer's down. Let's go take a look. Little Victory freezer, iced up coilititis. Bam. I need to get in here and see how to control this sensor here. Needs to be my defrost sensor. We got a cabinet sensor right here, and that sensor should put it in the defrost. So let's see what we got going down here. All right, this one's kind of neat. Everything goes through this control, the thermistors, and that little control puts us in the defrost or not. The clicks on right here is good. I just ohmed it out, and then that's my defrost heater is good. So the defrost heater is good. The heater limit is good. So when I get to a situation like this on some of this newer type stuff, I'm just going to order up new sensors and a new control, and that should take care of it. So that's where we're at on this one. I don't know what the ohms value is supposed to be for this guy, but we can take a look at that one too. That one's our evaporator sensor, the middle one. I'll pull it off, we'll take a look. Thermistor, there's my problem. The evaporator sensor is bad. Parts order time. What's they use the milk crate for their line set holder. I love it.
That's been there for, I can't remember when.
I can see all the oil down there. Yeah, so it looks like the wire rubbed on the discharge line. All right, we'll get that fixed up, change this dryer, and get her gassed back up after we pull a vacuum.
All right.
It's going to be a night repair, sunset, and drive Phil crazy right here from OC. Look, nothing's labeled, no idea what refrigerant is. I know it's POE oil, so I'm gonna have to go down to the evaporator coil and see what TXV is in this unit. We're right here, right downtown. First time I've ever been out here, they just called me. Here's a pet peeve of mine, no disconnect. I know you guys watching my videos. Yeah, there's a lot of funky stuff in my town, and it's freaking terrible. Stories for days. Okay, let me get to this. I'm gonna solder this back up where it arced. You can see that. That's an easy repair. Change the dryer, pull a vacuum, and get her recharged. I'll let you know how it turns out. Woohoo, Saturday night. Late one. Fixing coolers. That's what we do. Right here at H.V.A.C on the west side. Get those beers cold, NorCal Dave. Alright, repairs made, the dryer's changed out. I just got it on the vacuumer. I'd love to see how. There's the backlight. Oh, I like that. 3200 and starting. Take a trip with me. I gotta do an air conditioner guy move here. This isn't strapped. So I'm gonna go get some strap and strap the run cap up for the condenser fan. My mind's all screwed up. I've been working all day. We got to see what TXV's in there so we know what refrigerant to put in. We know the compressor has POE oil, so that helps. Let's get down there. All right, here's one for the new guys. So this is a Trenton coil. I know we've been talking about the coils I use. This was put in by someone else. These are nicer than the Bohn coils. I've been using the Heatcraft Bohn stuff. I'm really getting disgusted with their quality. Has gone way down. But these are sold by a different wholesale house. Anyways, I want to see what refrigerant the TXV set up for. But look at new guys. You come out, make your repair. You're always going to find the customer's going to do this. They're going to turn that stack down because the first thing they're thinking is, oh, my stuff's not cold, turn it down. If you don't correct that, you're going to come back to an iced up coil. That looks decent. You know the back of this thing's filthy. Oh, surprisingly not. Wow, eat some crow, Dave. Okay, I will. Alright. Let's see what TXV is in this thing. And then that'll determine what refrigerant we can run in here. Oh, don't lose that. Little bugger. 404. Just the way we like it. Okay. Ew, corrosion. Just how you like it. A 3.5 ton TXV. Okay. We'll get some stickers on here. I know today I've been having fun with the stickers and my man at OC Refrigeration. So I really like the way OC talks about labeling your stuff. And this is what him and I come across all the time. And this is why it needs to be labeled. Okay. That looks better, huh? Yeah. I got one more for the condensing unit. Let's get up there and see what microns we're at. Alright. It's got my label on there. And look what I just noticed. It's an outdoor condensing unit. See, they do have them here. Woohoo! Come on, I bought this for the backlight. There it goes. Alright, it's the whole reason I bought that one, for the backlight. My other ones still work fine. Just have a light. We're coming down. Double hose specialer. I got the high side there. I had to put the fitting on to take the Schrader out. There's no low side connection on these over here. No service valve. They're using it for the suction pressure switch. So I had to take the Schrader out. Oh yeah, 1130. We're dropping. Then I took the other side off the receiver to the T with the, you know, it's all 3/8 hoses, quarter to 3/8, and then 3/8 to 3/8 off the T to the vacuum pump. Okay, we're gonna get that drill and the strap. We'll strap up that cap. All right, I got her strapped up. Right there. I did check the contactor. It looks good. Look at this funky nonsense. They've got another fucking... Alright. Old Faithful's chugging along. We're down into the 900s. 960. Maybe 959. Alright, let's get her down there. Then we'll get her charged up. I'll go get the scale and the gas.